Soft capture system has been stowed. We see the umbilical starting to deploy. About 40% of the way so far, going pretty quickly. Should just take a couple more seconds until we're all the way connected. And then we should be getting that docking complete call out from the core here in mission control, Spacex and Hawthorne. Standing by.
Dragon Spacex, docking sequence is complete.